Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on where you're watching from. I am Rekha Morar. I am originally from India, but now living in USA for many years. And my background is IT. I'm a software developer. I worked in software for over 25 years. And you know how IT jobs can be. It's very, very time consuming. Sometimes you have to work weekends and it's no time for family. And then even if weekends are off, you're mainly getting ready for the next week, prepping and doing your housework. So no family time. So and no travel time. So now my kids are grown up. And then me and my husband really want to travel lot more. We don't want to wait till 65 to start traveling. So I decided to explore different options. And I've looked at a lot of other options, and nothing was really uh, worth my time. So I came across this ad, my mentor's ad, and I decided to at least check it out. They had the free 90-minute webinar. So I went ahead and watched, and I joined the business, and I have no regrets. We also have Gurpreet Kaur today, and she'll be sharing some of her experiences and how she got started.
Okay. Hello, Rekha. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for inviting me on your piece. It's really a great pleasure.
Thank you for accepting my invitation.
Oh, no, that's okay. Yeah, I will start with my introduction. First of all, I would like to say good morning to everybody and hi to everyone who are watching us or who might watch us replay. So hi to everyone from me. I'm Gurpreet from Brampton, Ontario, Canada. I came to Canada in 2014 as a student, and
Mhm.
back home I was a banker working in one of the top banks in India. But as my most of the family members were abroad, so it was a pressure from the family that I should go there only, right? So in 2014, I took a step and I came here for my higher studies. I did my studies and after studied I got married and then have done I would say a different professional jobs too. I worked as a cashier, I worked as a mortgage agent, as a bookkeeper, and after that I got my field job, but that was a banking job. I here too worked at one of the top banks in Canada for I would say 2 years. But during that period, I had my first daughter already. So I used to the same. My life was the same like most of the mom, like working moms. I used to drop her to the daycare and go to my banking job. And my husband is in trucking, so his hours are not permanent, right? So we know that he will be going at this particular time, but when he's going to come back, we don't know.
Mhm.
So it was me who was looking after everything.
Mhm.
So it was going on for, I would say, 2 years. This was okay. But when I got pregnant for the second time in 2020,
Mhm.
then suddenly I started feeling that I was having a guilt too because I was leaving my daughter, right? When I was going to work and I was missing all her milestone. So there was always a mother's guilt in me. So when I became pregnant for the second time, I made up my mind that I need to find something, right? So that I can either curtail my regular hours or I can work from home. So I was just going through I would say I was scrolling down every day on Facebook, something or the
Mhm.
other. And during that period, as we all know, there was a COVID period also, right? So that time though I was working from work from home, my banking job, right? So but I was having that a kind of thing because my hours was from 8 to 5, so that for particular from 8 to 5 I have to with my laptop, right? So there was not much difference whether I was going to the office or I was doing from home. So I was there was a certain a kind of, insecurity you feel of
Yes.
what's going on in your life, that you are always busy with your stuff. You are not able to, mm, I would say, spend time with your daughter, right? And even my husband timings was not fixed, right? So we were not able to time spend together also. So one day, as by scrolling this thing, right, on Facebook, I came across this my mentor's ad. It was about the digital business. I just inquired about it, and I would say the hook point that attracted me was that the flexibility, I would say, right?
Mm-hmm.
That you can work from anywhere, anytime in your own hours. That thing got, I would say, I got that attention to that thing, and I just straight away look into further, right? So I inquired her. She sent me the webinar link, right? That was free. So I listened to that webinar, but you won't believe it. It was not the one time that after listening, I was straight away jumped into the business. So I saw the webinar for 4 to 5 times, and every time, whenever I was watching, right, every time some new peoples were coming
Mm-hmm.
on the live webinar, and they were sharing their testimonials. So from that thing, it was clear to me that it's not that certain group of people were doing this business. There were lots of people, right? So I further inquired into this business, and I asked her, and she told me about the next step. I just move on with the next step, and then she added me to the great community, and when I started, it was almost, I would say, 50,000 people were there who were doing this business. But right now, within 2 years, it across to 143,000 people.
Yeah,
It's
that's
amazing.
amazing.
It's
Amazing
really
growth.
amazing. See how fast this community is growing, right? So this how my journey started, and now after almost close to 2.5 years, I'm literally a business coach now. I'm doing this business successfully from my home while taking care of my both the kids. I'm really, really very grateful, I would say.
Yeah. So, how long did it? I mean, how long did it take before you decided it's this is it for you? You know,
After watching the webinar, as I told you, for four to
four
five
to
years,
five. Yeah.
5 times, I would say the last time I watched, I straight away paid the fee, what we call the registration fee, the 149.
Yeah.
I
Same.
paid that. I looked into the business in details, because after paying that, I got my pre-coaching videos. In that, they have explained everything about the company, their products, the compensation plan, right? How we need to do the business, right? Everything was explained. And even I was added to the community, right? Where I was looking every day the success stories of lots of real people, right? How much they are earning and everything. So from that thing, I knew that this is a real business, right? And there is a lot of potential in this business. Anyone can achieve anything, because I was looking that, I was seeing lots of people have paid off of their mortgages within a year or 2 years
Yeah.
by doing this business.
Yep. That's
Right. So it was a great thing. And even if I took my example, just because of this business, though I started in 2021, I was able to buy my first home here in Canada in
oh,
2021. Yeah, after my baby was born. So
that's
it's
awesome.
really, I think if you are working hard on something, right, is whatever type of business, or it's even a job, right? If you have that mindset that you need to do something and you need to achieve something, you can easily do that.
Yeah. What I can say is this is not a get rich
True.
quick
Yeah.
scheme, because a lot of my people that inquire about this business, they said, "How soon can I start making money?" And
No.
I always tell them that this is not a job, this is a business, so it takes time
It's
for you
that.
to go through the training and get everybody's trust. That's the important
True.
thing,
That's
because think about when we joined, me and Gurpreet joined, we everybody is a little scared to start
true. I was
initially.
too.
I was a little scared. I'm like, what if this is not legit, but I took a chance. I paid the registration fee because it was refundable.
Oh,
So I said, well, if it's not something for me, then I can get the refund.
True.
So there's no harm checking it out. So I did, and there's no turning back. My dream, I have grown up kids, unlike your little kid. I wish I had this option when my kids were little, you
I
know.
know. I
But
know.
my kids are grown up now, so we want to travel, and I was looking for something where I can learn something new every day, because I am not the kind of person that wants to sit idle and do nothing. So this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect for me. I'm learning so much every single day. I get to meet like-minded people like Gurpreet. All these people, they're always there to help you with everything. So I I'm just loving this business. What do you like most about this business, Gurpreet?
There are a lot of things, frankly.
There
For
are a lot
every
of
one of us, there are a lot of things. First thing is obviously we joined this business for our time and financial freedom, right? Obviously, we're getting the time and financial freedom from this business. And the second thing I like about that, I'm improving my personal, I would say, personal development, right? My confidence is gaining day by day.
oh,
Earlier, when I was in banking or I
amazing.
was in different professions, even when I was a mortgage agent, right? I didn't have this confidence to speak to somebody so fluently or in a comfortable way. But due to this business, I won't say as I started I was like this. No, it took time for me, almost I would say 7 to 8 months. After
Hmm.
7 to 8 months, I started going doing lives, and then slowly and slowly I was connected to more and more people in our group, right? So that thing was building slowly and slowly within me, because in even in our regular life, when we get inquiries from the people, right, they always say that they are camera shy people. They don't want to come live, right, or they don't want to put the pictures on the Facebook as they are not comfortable. I always say that it's okay, we were on the same boat
Same
before,
boat.
right?
Yeah.
It takes some time. Might be for you it might take 2 months, 3 months. Literally for me it took more than that. But there are lots of people in my group, right? When they start the business, I would say within 2 or 3 weeks, they are so comfortable. They come, do the go lives on their pages, and I would say they are gaining a lot of success, because when you come alive and tell about
Yeah.
the business, right? I would say people get more confident in you. They can build a trust on
There's a
you when they
trust.
are
Yeah. The
seeing
trust.
I would
Thing.
say seeing in
Mhm.
real terms you, right? Even when we are speaking, right? We are not here to telling people to join us. We are just giving you the awareness about our business, right? If you like it, you can come and join it, or you can check it out, right? Because in this business, the best thing is we are not bugging anyone.
No.
you yeah, you don't have to force anybody, your friends or relative, right, to come and join you, right? Just send them the business plan, show them the webinar. If they are feel they can come and join you, because this business is literally not for everybody. I would say it's not for
Yeah.
everybody.
Not.
People who have a mindset, right, to achieve something in their life, or the people who are looking for their second source of income, right? Or who the people like me who literally wanted to spend more time with their kids and earn at the same time so I can meet my regular expenses. So you should have that mindset, I would say. And
Yeah.
after starting the business, you should be focused on your business, I would say, because as Rekha said, this is not a rich get scheme. You have to pay attention to your business. It's not literally that you need to spend 7 to 8 hours on the business.
Mhm.
Even if you're spending, I would say, 30 to 40 minutes or maximum 1 hour, right? That's more than enough. But that hour should be, I would say, it should be fruitful.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, and
That,
some people can spend a little more time than the other, because a lot of people that join actually have full-time jobs, so they
yeah.
do this along with normal job. And we have nurses, we have doctors, we have engineers, we have all any walks of life, they're doing this business successfully. We have nurses who do multiple shifts and they
Yes.
still do this
Do
business.
the job.
So
Yeah.
there's no excuse. People say, I don't have time, but We
It's
always have
just a thing I would say we have learned in our studies also in the right that it's just a matter of time management. If
right.
you know how to manage your time, because I personally feel that as a woman, right, we are literally managing our time in our home. I would say
Yeah,
homework, the doing the things at home too, right?
that's
We
right.
know that at this particular time we need to take our kids to school or some
Yeah,
activity. At this time we need to do our household stuff, right? If we can manage our time for business also, if we have that mindset, we can literally do that too.
exactly.
Yeah.
And the best thing about this business is you're not alone. Like some there, I've explored other businesses, a digital business where you have to set up everything yourself,
Hmm.
and there's nobody to help you. You have to figure everything out yourself. In this business, it's out of the everything is included. So
Include.
like you never are alone. If you get stuck, there's always a mentor and a coach to help you. Or if they are not available, somebody in our community, we have a huge community, they're always there to help you.
Yeah.
So and sometimes a mentee can help the
True.
coach even. So it's not like, we learn from each other.
We learn from each other, right?
Yeah, and
True.
I love talking to new people like Gurpreet.
Right. And you know, I would say one more thing in this business, the best thing is that there is no competition among the business owners,
No.
right? Because in
Mm-mm.
another business, we see that there is always a competition. There are competitors, right? They want, if they have some techniques, right, for running their
Mhm.
business successfully, they don't share it. But in this business, all the business owners we have in our community, they're so friendly and helpful, right?
Yeah.
They usually share their things, share their techniques, and even
Yeah.
we have our weekly masterminds, right? Which the successful business owners come and share their, I would say, the latest techniques or the strategies they are using in their business. So
Yes.
we get, there are lots of things, I would say.
Yeah, even the
Every day we are learning something.
exactly. I learn something new every week. Like in the masterminds, if you don't get to watch it live, you can watch replay. Like yesterday, I was at the gym, and because I was traveling, I couldn't attend the live. So watched the mastermind while I was doing my workout.
Yeah.
So it's so convenient.
It's so convenient, true.
Yeah.
Because I know that we usually get the questions from the people, right? Especially they say that we don't have that technicality or the technical skills to run this business, right? Or we don't know how to use the laptop and everything. But in our training, right, they have teach you in such a good way. We have most of the training is in a video base. they
Yeah.
they explain you that you need to click this button first and then go to the other point, then again click that. It's so literally so easy, so anybody can do this with this, I would say.
Yes, I agree.
Anybody can do this.
Yep. Well,
Yeah.
thank you, Gurpreet, for accepting my invitation, and we'll be talking more. it
Thank you
was
so
it was
much, Rika.
absolutely my pleasure talking to you.
No, it was my pleasure too. It
Yeah,
was an honor for
yeah.
coming here.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
sharing your journey. Thank you, everybody, for watching. We'll see you soon again on our next live. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye bye.